Today we're checking out the MMD Hood Vent in gloss carbon fiber for the 2024 and newer Mustang GT Dark Horse. If you're looking to enhance your Mustang's aggressive style with real carbon fiber craftsmanship and keep things lightweight and refined, this hood vent brings both flair and substance to your ride, so it's definitely worth checking out. This hood vent brings aggressive, track-inspired aesthetics to your Mustang's front end, creating a visual statement that catches attention without being over the top. It's crafted from real, genuine carbon fiber with a high gloss finish that reflects light and adds a premium, performance-focused accent to the hood. Matching the rest of MMD's carbon accents, it seamlessly integrates into a clean and coordinated look if you happen to have or want some other MMD accents. Beyond the styling on this, the vent subtly aids in underhood airflow, helping hot air escape and potentially helping heat migration on those aggressive drives, making you get more cool air to that intake, which always is gonna help with combustion. Engineered with OEM CAD data, it offers precision placement for a slick and seamless appearance that looks like it could have come straight from the factory. Made from 100% real vacuum-infused carbon fiber with resin, this vent offers superior strength and a show-quality finish right out of the box. Its construction ensures rigidity and resistance to warping or cracking over time, and the design is crafted using factory CAD measurements like I mentioned, and that's going to ensure a perfect fit so there's no guesswork during installation. If you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. As far as pricing goes, it's coming in around that $500 price range. When you consider the full carbon fiber build, showroom quality gloss finish, and clean integration into your system, it's a solid value for a standout aesthetic and some elevated craftsmanship along the way. All right, when it comes to the install, this one's gonna be rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 20 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, plastic pry tool, and a 9mm socket. Today we're installing a hood vent on our Mustang, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is pop our hood, and then we're gonna take a 9mm socket to remove these 4 nuts. Now I just need to pop all of these clips on the other side. So I'm gonna get behind it and pry back. I'm gonna take a hand on the other side of the hood to pull lightly while I'm popping these so they don't just pop back into place. And then we can just lift up and pop that out. So now we need to swap over our studs over to our new one. So we're just gonna flip this over. We've got our 4 studs at the bottom here, and we just need to pull towards the slotted side to pop them out. And we'll grab our new one, and we're just gonna do that in reverse, pop them in. Now on our new piece, we have a strip of double-sided tape for the top. So I'm gonna take an alcohol wipe just to clean down the surface. And we don't have tape on the bottom, but I'll just clean that up while we're here. So now I'm gonna peel the backing off of my double-sided tape. I'm gonna line up my 4 bolt holes first, and then I'll press this down and into place. Push it down so that all your clips snap into place, and then we can go underneath and reinstall those nuts. So now we're just going to thread our nuts back onto each of those studs. And then you can grab your 9mm socket to tighten all these down. Now don't over tighten them, they don't need to be super tight because we do have that square top inside of our piece. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the MMD Hood Vent in gloss carbon fiber for your 2024 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.